Alright, and here is the Lego Technic telehandler set 42133. Again, odd price for a small Technic set. It was released in March of 2022, I think. Not sure. But it's holding the remote for my fan, just to show you that I can hold stuff, that's not attached to the pallet that it comes with, which is nice. Speaking of, here's the spare parts. And I'm going to show you the box, because this is the alternate build, which I will not make, because, I'm not really feeling it. Now, take this off. I do like it. I do like how they have a little seat in here. Right there. But you might have seen the differences from the actual picture to this one. Well, that's just because I customized it. Why? Well, it's a telehandler, so this is a telescopic boom, so I want to make it look like it's telescopic. There's a gray 5-length Technic beam down here, which I got from my personal collection. These white and gray bits from my personal collection. These pins right here from my personal collection. But overall, it turned out good. It can move. The forks can move. So. Let's see. There's a pallet up here. You want to raise it up, and if it was able to telescope, you would telescope it out a bit to get it fully under the pallet. Then you bring this up slightly. You back up, and then you pull the boom in, level that out, and depending on what it is, you either keep it up or bring it down, like so. Still up like that, but you mainly keep it up. There's a hog, or hand of little g, God, steering, and there's a knob here to, bring this up or down, which is nice. Here are the spares. I don't know if I showed them off, but yeah, that's it. Good set for an odd price, which is $13, but yeah, it's good.